Hey, Amber. Hey, babies. What are you guys up to? Oh, a school field trip to the beach. Sounds fun. You're going to stop for lunch? Sounds good. You forgot your lunchbox? Oh, no. What's that? A haunted snowman. Run, babies! You're going to call Car Patrol? Good idea. Stay there, babies. Car Patrol, the baby cars saw a haunted snowman. You've got to come and investigate. What exactly did you see, Amber? A floating snowman. It's over there. You're not scared, are you, Matt? Matt is scared of snowmen? Right, Matt. You have to be brave for the babies. Let's investigate. Rocky? Guys, it wasn't a haunted snowman. It was Rocky the Rocket. Oh, Jeremy called and asked you to bring baby Jeremy some lunch? But why are you dressed as a snowman? Just feeling festive, eh? All makes sense now. Come on, let's go tell the babies.
Hey!
Hey, babies, it's safe to come out now.
Oh.
The haunted snowman was just Rocky the Rocket. Thanks for your help, Car Patrol. And thank you, Rocky, for bringing baby Jeremy's lunch.
Oh.
Take it easy, everyone.
Hey.
Everybody is so busy in Car City today. What's this? An emergency already? Hey, Car Patrol, there's an emergency in Car City. Can you help? Wait a minute. Where's Hector?
Oh.
I wonder where he went. I guess it's up to the two of you to help today. Hurry. Good job. You made it there fast. But wait, where's the emergency?
Huh.
Oh. There are no accidents. No fires. How strange. Something must have happened. Why don't you two look around for clues? Nope, nothing there. It doesn't make sense. Not even a single clue? And you both looked everywhere? Wait, did either of you look behind the phone? A basket of apples. Finally, a clue. But what does it mean?
Oh, karapi.
Of course, the Car City Apple Orchard. Those apples must have come from there. Good thinking, Matt. We'd better go check it out.
Hey.
And Matt, aren't apples one of your favorite foods? You love apples, don't you? Then what are we waiting for? Let's go check it out. This is it, the Car City Apple Orchard. You made it. Now to look for more clues. We gotta figure out who made that phone call. Don't eat that one, Matt. It's rotten. It must have fallen off and been on the ground for a long time. And I don't think that's a clue. Better keep looking. It's too bad Hector the helicopter isn't here to help. He could fly over the trees to help look quickly. Wonder where he is. Good find, Matt. This is peculiar. All the apples have fallen off the tree. You're right, Frank. It's as if something blew them all off the tree. And it must have been recently because none of them are rotten yet. A puddle of paint? Here in the apple orchard?
Apathy.
You think the paint was left behind by Tom the tow truck? It could be. Tom's paint shop is back in Car City, though. Let's go look. Here we are, Tom's paint shop. Let's go see if Tom is around. Sure is dark in here. Surprise! Happy birthday, Matt! Did we fool you? And it looks like Hector and Tom have a present for you. Open it up and see what it is. What's this? An apple pie? Your favorite, Matt. What a fun birthday party and a great surprise. Happy birthday, Matt. Hey there, Carrie. You shouldn't be playing with that candle. Fire is dangerous. Ah, your lights are out and you can't see. Uh-oh. See, the candle lit the tree on fire. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's spreading. Quick, call the car patrol. Squad, there's a big fire. Come quick. Hurry. We don't want it to get any worse. It's this way, guys. Come on. Look, Carrie, the squad is here. Don't worry, they'll get the fire out in no time. Quick, Frank, use your hose. Do you have a bucket? Oh, good. Thanks, Carrie. Now you can drop water too, Hector. Keep going, guys. What is it, Matt? Oh no! Francis is trapped on the roof. Can you reach him, Frank? Oh, Hector, can you save Francis? Great idea. Hang on tight. Phew. We're sure glad you're safe, Francis. Way to go.
Good.
Don't give up. That's it. The fire is out. Well done, everyone. We know you're sorry, Carrie. It was an accident. We should get your lights fixed, though. You can do it, Matt? That's great news. Excellent work, Matt. Good as new, eh, Carrie? Well, you did a great job today, Car Patrol. Thanks again. Bye, friends. See you soon. Hi, Ben. Enjoying your book? Oh, you had a busy day today because Baby Ben has Baby Matt over for a sleepover? Seems like you're ready for bed yourself. What is it, Ben? Is something wrong? What's that light shining in your field, Ben? It's a real mystery. Who or what would be out this late in your field? Don't worry, Ben. Let's call Car Patrol to get to the bottom of this. Hi, guys. Ben needs your help at the farm. There's a light shining in his field, and he doesn't know who or what it is. That's right, Matt. Baby Matt is there. But he and Baby Ben are in bed asleep, so you don't need to worry. Can you guys help? Great. Let's go. The Car Patrol is here, Ben. Tell them what's going on. The babies went to bed and you were in your living room reading, and then suddenly you saw lights coming from your field? That's so strange. And you're sure the babies are in bed because you tucked them in and closed the door? Look, lights. This is scary. What is out there? The lights seem to be all over the place. Good idea, Matt. Why don't you and Frank check on the babies while Hector flies overhead to check out the property? That's odd. Ben is certain that this door was shut. Baby Ben? Where is Baby Matt? Baby Matt has disappeared.
Huh?
Maybe Hector sees something.
Huh?
What is it, Matt? Do you hear something?
Uh-uh. Hmm.
It sounds like snoring. Look, Hector is shining his light down on the mystery lights in the field. Frank, use your fire hose to spray the crops down so you can make a path and get to the bottom of this. Good job, Frank. It's Baby Matt. He was sleepwalking. Well, hello there, sleepyhead. You were sleepwalking out in Ben's fields.
Oh.
It's okay. See how brave you were? You came out here all by yourself in the dark. Now let's get you back inside. Thanks, Car Patrol, for solving the mystery of the lights in Ben's field. No one expected it to be Baby Matt. See you next time, everyone. Hey, Baby Amber and Baby Katie. Are you two trying out the Car City Flume for the first time? Wow, it looks amazing. Are you having fun? Okay, Baby Amber, it's your turn. Great job, Baby Amber. Baby Katie, you're up. Whoa! Oh dear, Baby Katie, you're stuck. What are we going to do to get you out of the flume, Baby Katie? Good idea, Baby Amber. Let's call for Car Patrol. Matt, Frank, Hector, we need your assistance. Baby Katie was playing on the flume, and now she's stuck. You think you can find a way to unstick her? Great. Let's get going. Don't worry, Baby Katie. Car Patrol is here to help you get off the flume. Matt, can you think of a way out of this situation? Oh, Matt, did you think that jolting the flume might dislodge Baby Katie? That was a good idea, but she really is even more stuck than we thought. Hector, have you got any ideas? Oh, that's a great idea, Hector. If you can get Katie to grab onto your hook, you should be able to airlift her out. I think the water is making it too slippery for you to get a hold of baby Katie, Hector. Oh, dear. I think we're running out of ideas. Frank, can you think of anything we haven't tried? Frank, I don't think now is the time to try a ride on the Flume. You'll crash into baby Katie. Whoa, Frank! Are you trying to blast Katie out of the Flume using your water jet? Baby Katie, are you okay? It looks like your crazy idea is working, Frank. Watch out, baby Katie. That was quite a show. Great teamwork, guys. Together, you found a way to get baby Katie out of a sticky situation. I think you all deserve to have a little fun now. Want to try out the Flume, guys? Frank, why don't you go first since you saved the day? And this time, no spinning. Thanks for all your help, Car Patrol. Splash you next time. The Car Patrol. It's another night in Car City. All is quiet and everyone's asleep. Hey, Amber, is that your siren? Then why isn't it on your head? You'd better call the Car Patrol. Hey, Car Patrol. Amber's in trouble. Someone's stolen her siren, and they're waking up the whole neighborhood with it. Great idea, Matt. Follow the sound of the siren, and you'll find the thief. Which way? Left or right? Hector, Matt thinks the noise is coming from the playground. It sounds like you're getting closer to the thief. Wait, the sound has stopped. Maybe you should check out the playground anyway. It seems the thief's not there, is he? Hey, Hector, Matt and Frank didn't find the thief, but maybe you'll have more luck. There's the thief, Hector. Let's warn the others. Matt, Frank, Hector spotted the thief. He's driving away over here. Uh-oh, the thief has spotted Matt. But he didn't see Frank coming. He's been caught. Well, well, well. It's Tyler Tyke who's behind this. It's no use trying to get rid of the evidence, Tyler. You're under arrest. Here's Amber just in time to get her siren back. Matt's right. Since Tyler likes sirens so much, he'll enjoy his journey to the police station. Great teamwork, Car Patrol. You found the thief and got Amber's siren back. Time to go back to bed at last. Good night, all.